and screen record right now. Boom, computer's being screen recorded. Guys, welcome back to I'm Out Traveling. Today we are announcing finally the first winner of the GoPro 10. I'm gonna put this one to the side because this was not for another couple more weeks, almost a month from, so we'll put this one to the side for now. Today we're focusing on the first giveaway, the GoPro Hero 10 Black. And this little bad boy has been amazing. I've had a fun playing with mine, and hopefully whoever wins this will have a great time with it. So let me explain to you guys one thing. I want to apologize to you guys because honestly, it's been a hectic past couple of weeks with work and life. And so now that everything's kind of like settling down, I can focus back all my attention to you guys and to the video creating. Like I mentioned last week on the last video I made, it's been nonstop. I opened up a media company and I have a lot of clients now with that. So with addition to that, I have my restaurant and my personal life. So there's just so many moving parts, but everything's kind of finally falling into place. So now we're gonna focus on this GoPro 10 giveaway. I have my computer here because there's a lot of things I don't wanna miss out for you guys. So let's start first of all with, let's talk about what we're gonna do now, all right? Very quick. Like last year, we did the giveaway and we had the categories Instagram and YouTube. So this year we had also Instagram and YouTube. And for Instagram, we have two portions of the Instagram part. One is gonna be the tagging. So tagging at I'm Out Traveling. And when you tag I'm Out Traveling, I'm gonna select the picture that I like from there. There were many pictures, so instead of selecting one, I selected two. One of them was actually a Reels, which was pretty cool. And then the next portion of Instagram was actually tagging this shot of the video that I created last time and tagging it on your IG story. And so I'm gonna go through the messages and I'm gonna pick one random person from that. And then what's gonna happen is from the tagging of the story and the tagging of the picture, I'm gonna put it on a name picker and it's gonna randomly pick one winner for the IG, right? Then I'm moving on to YouTube, and to YouTube, what I'm gonna do is I asked you guys to pretty much comment and like on this swimming with manatees video and the jet skiing in St. Augustine video. So what I'm gonna do from that is I'm gonna pick a winner from that, and that's the YouTube winner. Then I'm gonna combine them together, but there's actually a little bonus round that I didn't mention, and I didn't mention it for a reason because that's why it's a bonus round. And the bonus round that I wanna make for you guys is that the runner-ups from last year's GoPro 9 videos, there was two of them, the runner-ups from all those contests are actually entered on this bonus giveaway. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna put all the names together on one entry and pick one winner from that. So now you have three people that are gonna compete for this GoPro 10. One is gonna be from the IG, one is gonna be from YouTube, and one is gonna be from runner-up of last year's giveaway. That way, it's pretty much a way of me saying thank you to you guys that stuck around, because I know that there's a lot of people from last year that are still participating on this year's contest. And they, throughout the whole year, they'll be commenting, texting, well, not texting, but like DMing me on Instagram. And I feel like, you know, because of that, because of you guys that have stuck around, I want to give you guys another opportunity. So there you go. Those are the three ways we're going to do it. So now let's get started with round one, the Instagram portion of the giveaway. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna hit screen record on my phone because I want you guys to see what I'm doing on my phone very quick. And then now we are going to go to Instagram. And from Instagram, we're gonna go to the home page. Wait, what was that? What is going on here? That is crazy. That is funny. Hold on, what is going on here? That's funny. All right, anyways, let's not get distracted. All right, so we are going to go to the tag pictures because one of the ways was to going tagging at I'm Out Traveling on your favorite travel picture, whether it's a traveling one or just using GoPro or whatever it is. It doesn't matter. Any travel picture, you tag us, you're gonna be automatically included in this, and I'm gonna pick one person, but from this one I picked two people just because there's so many of them. So I just picked two of them. So the first one, it's gonna be this one right here. It looks like Florida. I live in Florida. That's not Florida, obviously, but it looks like the state of Florida. So I'm picking that one. I love drone shots. I thought that was just awesome. So pretty cool. So I picked that one. That one is B Waters. So let me add B Waters here to this random name picker. B Waters 224. And then the next one we are going to do is going to be so many great ones, like I said, guys. There's so many good ones. But I found this reel and I thought it was funny. Somebody tagged us here. Check this out. From Oh Frankie. This guy's fishing. A boat passes by. water. He just crashes to a rock. He's like in disbelief, like what just happened? This freaking boat just passed me and did that. So he flicks him off. That was hilarious. So, oh Frankie, you got my heart there, as you can see. So definitely you are another one there. So, oh Frankie. All right, we got that. And then the next one was gonna be tagging any portion of the screenshot of the last videos that I did and tagging us on your Instagram story, right? So you tag this, and this guy's going here, going to the request. And what I'm gonna do is I'm pretty much just gonna go down the list very quick, pick one, boom. Oh, no, not delete. There you go. And we got Extreme underscore squad. And you guys did indeed tag us, it says mentioned in your story. So now we have those 3 winners. So let's get on with it. Choose a random name. Okay, so start. So here we have it. The winner is B Waters 224. B Waters 224. You are the winner for the Instagram portion of it. Now, I'm gonna tell you one thing very quick, guys. The next contest for the second GoPro 10 right here, it's actually not gonna be the same entries as we did for the first one. So in between every selection, I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can enter for that's the next GoPro 10, because it's not gonna be the same way. So for this first entry, let me go back to my notes here because I have it here. So entry number 1 was gonna be like and comment the next set of videos I post, but this time around, do not do the hashtag GP10. Do not do hashtag GP10. If you do hashtag GP10, you're not gonna be qualified and counted into this. So do not do hashtag GP10. When you comment on the next videos, I want you to tell me what was your favorite part of the video. What did you like the most? And so that's the first entry right there, all right? So like and comment on the next set of GoPro videos I'm gonna release, and tell me what your favorite part of the video was, or what your favorite thing of the GoPro is, or whatever the case is. Just do that, all right? So no more hashtag GP10, remember that, all right? So now we're going to the next portion of the giveaway, which is gonna be the YouTube round. And on YouTube, I had 2 entries, 2 ways to do it. One was gonna be to like and comment on this jet skiing in St. Augustine video. And the second one was gonna be to like and comment on this swimming with the manatees video. So with that being said, let's get this started, all right? I already have them preset right here. So where is it? Okay, St. Augustine right there. All right, so the St. Augustine video, I'm gonna copy this link right here. And when I had you guys do that, I had you guys type in the word hashtag GP10. So that's the reason why I don't want to do it again with hashtag GP10, because I don't want to mix in the old contestants with the new one. Like, this is a new contest. It has nothing to do with the old one, so I had to change it up a little bit. That's the reason why. All right, so with that being said, we're gonna put this link that we just copied, we're gonna put it here and paste. And so there's a new link, and that's the St. Augustine video. I'm gonna filter duplicate users. That way, whoever entered twice, like that doesn't count, just once. And then that's about it, I guess. So let's get the YouTube comments. For the St. Augustine video, we had a total of 192 unique comments. Pretty good, pretty impressive actually. So 192 unique comments on the St. Augustine video. So now we are going to just see who wins from that. And the winner is Jose Caceres. Jose Caceres, you, my friend, are the winner for this St. Augustine video. You put nice drone shots, hashtag GP10, boom. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add your name, Jose Caceres, right here into this random name picker. So the first one right here, so I'm gonna delete all this. Let me delete this, pick another name. I'm gonna add you here. Let me delete these names right here from the original one. All right, so Jose underscore Caceres. And I'm gonna put YouTube. Boom. Okay. The next video was the swimming with the manatees, which it was my favorite experience. One of my favorite experiences. Swimming with a whale shark in Cancun a couple years ago was amazing. this right here was just right in line with the swim with the whale sharks. I loved swimming with the manatees. If you guys ever get a chance to, definitely do that. But let me tell you entry number 2. So entry number 2 for this next GoPro 10 is gonna be definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. Obviously, that goes without saying. You have to subscribe to win. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna verify that based on your comments, and then from there, you guys will be entered automatically. So just by subscribing, you're automatically entered on this. You have to be subscribed to win. That is without a doubt, right? So with that being said, I'm gonna copy this link. I'm not sure if I did that or not. I'm gonna paste it here onto this one, YouTube link right here, paste, all right? Once again, I'm gonna filter users, duplicate users, all right? No double entries, just one entry, all right? And this one has to be with the hashtag GP10, which I didn't do that last time, I just remember that. But luckily for this guy, he had a GP10, hashtag GP10 there. So we are going to comment based on specific text, hashtag GP10. And now we are going to get YouTube comments based on hashtag GP10. And we have a total of 171 unique comments on the Swimming with the Manatees. All right, so 171 unique comments, and we are going to start this very quick. Let's see who the winner is. Zach Fang, hashtag GP10. So just commented, just comment like good thing. So just comment like good things, right? I don't get it. But you won. You won this round so far. So just comment like good things, right? I guess, yeah, I guess it makes sense. So Zach Fang, let's add you here very quick. Zach underscore Fang. Cool, all right. Fang, YouTube. Okay, so let me go back to my notes very quick. All right, so now that we have that, what we're gonna do is we are going to do the contest giveaway raffle, the random name picker now. So the random name picker, we have Jose Caceres from YouTube and Zach Fang from YouTube. And I'm about to tell you the third entry pretty soon for the next GoPro 10. So for this one so far, we have Zach Fang. Zach Fang, you are in the raffle right now for this. So where is the first name? Jose Caceres, Zach Fang. All right, cool. So now the first one I had here was Jose Caceres. So we are going to now remove this. Pick another name. So remove that. So we had from YouTube was Zach Fang. And from IG, so I'm gonna put the YouTube symbol there. And from IG, we have B Waters, 22-4, IG. And then we have the bonus round from last year. This is my favorite one. So I already preset them there. And what I did was I went to last year's videos and I had the list right here, as you can see on the screen recording, of the winners, the people that were in the contest from last year, the finalists. So CK Munch, he won. So he's eliminated from this right now. So we have Nish, th._. I already added Nish. And then from this one, I had all these right here, except Mr. Polingo is eliminated because Mr. Polingo won. So all these names right here are actually right here in order, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick a winner from that, all right? So let's see. And you know what's crazy? The reason why I kind of, when I was doing this first contest right here with the jet ski St. Augustine, the winner was Jose Caceres, and I was just like, that's crazy because Jose Caceres was actually in last year's finalist, and he's also in this bonus round. So I just found that funny, and that just tells you that just because you don't win, that doesn't mean your chances are limited. There's still another chance next year, and if you keep on trying it, trust me, like, we're gonna continue this every year. It's a tradition I enjoy doing, and it's a way of me giving back. So stay tuned, stay plugged in with us, comment daily on the videos that I put out, because the more you comment, the more chances you have. And next year, I'm gonna change things up a little bit. So definitely stay active throughout the year. So with that being said, let me now randomize this right here, pick a random name, and here we go. So the winner of the bonus round is Jay Gore. All right, Jay Gore. It's the winner. So why YouTube? So Jay Gore. Jay Gore. All right. And now we're going to the final round. And with that being said, we are going to now pick one of these three finalists. We have Zach Fang from YouTube, B Waters 224 from IG, Jay Gore from YouTube, bonus round of last year's finalists. And so we are about to do this, but very quick, let me tell you the third entry on how you can enter for this next GoPro 10 right here. And it's very simple. You see this right here, this image right here. Anytime I post anything on Instagram, I want you guys to like and comment, but not just on any picture. It has to be specifically to this picture with a white frame. It won't be this picture, but any picture that has a white frame, just like this right here. What I want you guys to do is like, comment, and share it on your story. That is the way, the third entry on how you can enter to win. So we already have the YouTube way. We have, which is pretty much liking and comment anything that you liked about the video. Do not use the hashtag GP10. We have the subscribing on YouTube as well. We have the Instagram, which is going to be pretty much like it and comment on any of this, on this picture that I put up here. Any picture with this white frame, that's what you guys have to like, comment, and share. And now, with that being said, I'm going to tell you about the next date for the giveaway because I'm changing it up a little bit. So for this next GoPro 10 giveaway, the dates are as follows. And hold on a second, let's pick the winner because I think the winners want to know if they won or not. So with that being said, we have Zach Fang, B Waters 224, Jay Gore, and here we go. Pick a random winner and B Waters 224 from IG. You are the winner of this year's GoPro 10 round 1. So we still have one more left, guys. Don't forget that. But yes, you just won B Waters 224 from IG. I'm gonna message you, and you have a week to respond to me. If not, I'm gonna do this contest again. So B Waters 224, you just won this GoPro 10. Congratulations! I'm excited for you. All right, so we'll get back to that later on. So let's put this to the side. Let's talk about the next contest. Right here, I have my phone. Next contest is as follows. I am going to do it instead of picking one specific date where I have to like hard post it that day because that's honestly a little bit stressful. I'm gonna pick a week, and what I'm gonna do is the day before I make the video that I go live, because I'm gonna go live on the next one. The day before I do that, I'm gonna let you guys know on a video. I'm gonna put it on the community board. I'm also gonna put it on Instagram. I'm gonna let you guys know that way you guys could join us on the live streaming. Keep in mind, whoever's live streaming, that's gonna be a bonus way. So you guys definitely wanna make it, because if you're live on the studio, like if you're streaming with us and you're commenting, guess what? You're gonna be automatically entered as well, just by commenting on that. So stay tuned for that. I had said initially November 15th. Instead of doing November 15th hard date, I'm gonna do the week of November 15th, which is November 15th Monday through November 21st Sunday. With that being said, I'll let you guys know one day in advance in regards to that. So with that being said, guys, stay tuned, all right? I am gonna post videos now that everything's getting better for me and with work, and there will be a lot more videos coming out. I promise you that right now. All right, so thank you guys for watching. B Waters 224, congratulations on this one right here. I wonder who's gonna be the next one for this. So I have one more right here. Keep in mind, next year I'm doing the same thing. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, keep on commenting on the videos because I notice all that. Keep that in mind. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.